Hello and Assalamualaikum. Today we will present and share with all of you our assignment Ping-Pong Launcher Design Challenge for subject Dynamic and Mechanic of Machine. Firstly, I will introduce our group members. My name is Wan Ahmad Shakir bin Wan Ahmad Salahuddin and my metric number is B0919101158. Second group members is Muhammad Shazwan Zuhelmi bin Muhammad Kasim. Metric number B0919100432, and the third group members is Muhammad Hazim bin Ahmad Zulkafli, and his metric number is B0991910378, and our lecturer for this subject is Insinyur Mazlan bin Ahmad Mansur. Through this presentation, we will describe each content such as introduction, our material, setup launcher, projectile launcher feature and demonstration, and finally the calculation. Introduction. What is projectile motion? Projectile motion is the motion of an object thrown or projected into the air, subject to only the acceleration of gravity. As we know, the value of gravity is 9.8. The object is called a projectile and its path is called its trajectory. This is an example of projectile motion. The example shows the boys throw the ball, something like that, through the air and it goes down to the ground. What are the materials that we use for set up this ping-pong launcher? First, we use ice cream stick. We use several of the ice cream stick. Second, we use clothespin. We use plastic and wooden clothespin. Next, we use rubber band and skewer stick. After that, we use 3 or 4 bottle cap. And finally, we use a ping pong ball. So these are the materials that we use for set up the ping pong launcher. And I will pass to the next presenter, my friend, to continue our presentation. That's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum and good morning to our fellow friends and our lecturer. My name is Muhammad Shazwan Zuhimi bin Muhammad Kasim and I'm from BMMH. So today I would like to present about the setup launcher of our ping pong ball launcher. There are currently 5 steps that we need to follow to build our ping pong ball launcher. The first step is to use our ice cream stick and make it as our base. And the second step is to use 2 clothespin and stick it on the left side and the right side at the middle of the base. For the third step, we use a skewer stick and a bottle cap. The skewer stick is put on between the 2 clothespin, and the bottle cap we use is pierced and put it on the skewer stick. The fourth step is to use our rubber band that act as a launcher to our project. And the fifth step is to use another clothespin to hold the launcher before it will launch. That's all our step to make our launcher. Next, I would like to present about the projectile launcher feature. There are currently 5 features that we have included in this slide. The first one, the launcher system is based on a rubber band which acts as the mechanism. Second is that we use the closed tip to hold the launcher before it will launch to create a power. Third is to put the ping pong ball at the bottle cap, which is located at the launcher before we launch. Fourth is to push the closed tip and it will release the launcher. And finally, the ping pong ball will be projected into the air after it be launched. So these are the features that we have included in our ping pong ball launcher. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Muhammad Hazim bin Ahmad Zulkafli and my matrix number is B0919103108. Today I would like to present about the calculation of the ping pong launcher. Okay, the purpose of this calculation is to determine the velocity of the ping pong ball after its launch to reach the target. So let's see what is given in this experiment. The height is given, which is 6.1 cm, or we convert it to meter, is equals to 0.061 meter, and the range also given, which is 1.5 meter. So the most suitable equation is to use the kinematic equation of x motion and y motion. Firstly, we need to solve the x motion equation to get the first equation, and then we solve y motion equation to get the second equation. Okay, let's see the x motion equation. For x motion equation, x is equals to x initial plus velocity of x initial times t. As we know, the x initial is equals to 0, so we rearrange to get the velocity of x, and we get velocity of x equals to x divided by t. So that is our first equation, and then we solve the y motion equation, which is y equals to y initial plus velocity of y initial times t minus 1 per 2 times g times t power of 2. And then we substitute the value. We know that y is equals to 0 and y initial is equals to h, which is height. And then we also know the velocity of y initial is equals to 0. After that, we rearrange the equation to get the time, and the second equation we get t is equals to the square root of 2 times h divided by gravity. And finally, after we get the two equations, we substitute the equation of y motion into the equation of x motion, and we get the velocity of x equals to x divided by the square root of 2 times h divided by g. And then we substitute the value into the equation, so we get the velocity of x equals to 1.5 meter divided by the square root of 2 times 0.061 divided by 9.81, and then we get the final answer is 13.45 meter per second. So the velocity of the ping pong ball is 13.45 meter per second. That's all from me. Thank you.